Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best book holders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a student, a book lover, or just looking for an organized way to store your books, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Storex Large Book Bin, a 6-pack of interlocking plastic organizers designed for home, office, and classroom use. This is an affordable and highly functional option for anyone who needs to organize magazines, letter-size paper, or scrapbook materials. Its standout feature is its interlocking design, which allows you to connect multiple bins for added stability. The bins also come with front and rear handles for easy portability. The build quality here is solid. Made from durable, drop-resistant plastic, these bins are lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle everyday use. They measure 14.3 by 5.3 by 7.1 inches, providing ample space for a variety of items. While the design is practical, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing option, so it's better suited for functional spaces like classrooms or offices rather than home decor. This product is ideal for teachers, students, or anyone looking for a cost-effective way to keep their space clutter-free. At just $15 for a 6-pack, it's hard to beat the value. However, it's worth noting that this isn't a traditional book holder. It's more of a storage solution. So if you're looking for something decorative or heavy-duty, this might not be your best bet. Pros include its affordability, durability, and versatility, while the lack of aesthetic appeal and limited weight capacity are its cons. Coming in at number 4 is the Max Gear Bookends Tree Design. These heavy-duty metal bookends are perfect for anyone who wants a combination of functionality and style. The unique tree design adds a touch of elegance, making it a great choice for home decor as well as office organization. The bookends are constructed from high-quality steel with a powder-coated finish, ensuring durability and resistance to scratches. What sets these bookends apart is their anti-slip pad design. Each bookend features 4 foam pads on the bottom, preventing sliding and protecting your desk or shelves from scratches. They're also compact, measuring 7 by 4.7 by 3.5 inches, but strong enough to keep books, CDs, or DVDs upright and organized. The rounded edges are a thoughtful touch, ensuring your books and shelves remain scuff-free. While these bookends are stylish and sturdy, their price point may be higher than simpler alternatives. They're ideal for avid readers, students, or professionals who want a decorative yet practical solution for their books. The pros include their stylish design, durable build, and anti-slip features, while the cons are their relatively small size and potentially higher price compared to basic bookends. At number 3, we have the V-Find Bookends, a minimalist yet highly functional solution for organizing your shelves. These heavy-duty metal bookends are crafted from high-quality steel with a one-piece molding process. They offer excellent durability and can hold a wide range of items, including books, DVDs, and video games. The sleek, flat black finish blends seamlessly with any decor style, whether it's your home, office, or school setting. One of the standout features is the anti-slip pads on the bottom. These not only keep the bookends stable, but also protect your surfaces from scratches. The L-shaped design is simple yet effective, providing a stable base to keep your books upright. Measuring 8 inches tall, these bookends are sturdy enough for heavier books while remaining compact enough to fit on most shelves. If you're looking for something affordable and reliable, the V-Find bookends are an excellent choice. They don't offer the decorative flair of some other options, but they excel in build quality and functionality. Pros include their durable construction, anti-slip design, and versatility, while the cons are their plain design and limited aesthetic appeal. In the runner-up spot, we have the Wishak Bamboo Bookstand. This product is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves to read or cook. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, it features a stable and rugged design that's both lightweight and durable. The spring-loaded page clips make it easy to hold even thick books in place, whether you're reading a textbook or following a recipe. The stand offers 5 adjustable angles, allowing you to find the perfect position for reading or working. When not in use, it folds flat, for easy storage and portability. At 11 by 8.5 inches, it's large enough to accommodate books of various sizes without taking up too much space on your desk or countertop. This book stand is perfect for students, cooks, and anyone who reads for extended periods. Its natural bamboo finish adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any setting. The pros include its adjustable design, portability, and sustainable materials, while the cons are its slightly higher price and limited suitability for very heavy or oversized books. And finally, taking the top spot is the Soup Desk book stand for reading. This multifunctional book holder is a game changer for avid readers, students, and professionals alike. Its most impressive feature is the 360-degree rotating base, which allows you to adjust the angle and height for maximum comfort. Whether you're studying, cooking, or working on your laptop, this stand adapts to your needs. Constructed from a combination of wood and aluminum, this book stand is both sturdy and stylish. It's designed to hold everything from recipe books to laptops, making it incredibly versatile. The elastic clips ensure your pages stay open, while the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. At 10 by 10 by 10 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough for larger items. This book stand is perfect for multitaskers who need a reliable, ergonomic solution for their reading or work setup. It's a bit on the pricier side, but its versatility and premium build quality make it worth the investment. Pros include its adjustable and rotating design, high-quality materials, and versatility, while the cons are its slightly higher price and heavier weight compared to simpler book stands. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best book holder for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.